In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how the Knock Accounts table turns raw activity into powerful insights you can act on. Open the Accounts table. You'll see every account that engaged with your website and off-site sources, ordered by last seen. Use filters for company info, contacts, sessions, meetings, and more to shape the view you need. Here are 5 recommended ways I use it. Capture hot accounts who showed intent but didn't convert and route them to sales immediately. Filter by company size, region, or industry, then sort by purchase probability and engagement score. Prove campaign impact with funnel and CRM insights. Filter the table by source, channel, or specific UTMs. Instead of just counting clicks, see how accounts from each campaign progress through your funnel and into CRM stages. Just open the columns and add the ones most relevant to this view. Act on high signal moments while interest is fresh. Choose a specific intent signal, like check pricing. Instantly see which accounts viewed your pricing today and act accordingly. Deep dive by clicking into an account to open the full timeline of actions. Who did what, when, and in what sequence. Protect your pipeline. Switch to opportunities or customers to see last engagement and the intent signals behind it. For leads connected through Knock, this data syncs automatically to your CRM. Using Knock Enrich, you get full enrichment to all leads in your CRM. Let's knock.